status and role, right? Look, status simply refers to individual's position in the society. It simply refers to individual's position in the society. Every individual has some position in the society, occupies some position in the society, right? It is classified as ascribed. Individuals or members of society has ascribed status and achieved status. Right, like Vadhva or Sharma, Yadav, right, Singh, Thakur, right? I mean, all these caste status, right, which individual, through which individual is identified, right, is referred as ascribed status, right? Caste status by which individual is identified is referred as ascribed status, and Rohit Yadav, IAS. So this IAS or Rohit Yadav BTech, right? Thakralji BTech, right? This is achieved status, right? The status or the position which individuals attain through his own efforts over the period of time is referred as achieved status, right? So in society, the members of society have certain position. They are identified with that by that position, and that position is classified broadly into ascribed and achieved, right? Fatherhood or father. Father is achieved status, right? The name ascribed, the caste surname is ascribed status, right? Engineer, doctor, right? These are all achieved status, right? So this is, and role. Simple terms में याद रखिएगा. Role is nothing but dynamic aspect of status. Dynamic aspect of status is referred as role. I will repeat again. Dynamic aspect of status is referred as role, right? Means every status or the individual or the members of society in particular status is bound to or has to perform certain roles. Isn't it? Some responsibilities like son, status, responsibilities towards father, father status, role, responsibility towards son, right? So in every position, every status, individual members of society has to perform certain roles. Role is nothing but dynamic aspect of status, right? We will study, like these terms will appear, like for example, in traditional society, in the family, like women performed domestic roles, cleaning, cooking, right, maintaining house, kitchen, right? So those roles, caring of the children, caring of the elderly, such roles are referred expressive roles. Such roles are referred as expressive roles, in which expression is like, you will see women always affectionate towards children, towards old age people, isn't it? Right. Instrumental roles, the roles which mobilized resources, right? For example, the role of in traditional society, role of male members of family society, role of breadwinners, right? So such roles actually referred as breadwinners role, that is instrumental role, right? Expressive role of women, traditional society mein instrumental role of men. In modern society, both men and women have expressive as well as instrumental role. In modern society, both men and women have expressive as well as instrumental roles, right? There are changes also over the period of time, right? We will discuss, patriarchy, sexual division of labor. In all those, discussion, these terms will appear, status and role. So this is